Now, let's explore opportunities. There is a growing demand for AI driven solutions across industries, from small business to large enterprises. Opportunities exist in AI services, automation, consulting, and industry specific solutions like clean energy optimizations. You can participate as a service provider, partner, reseller, or innovator. Start with your strength, align with the real market needs, and take actions. Opportunities are everywhere. The key is to act on them.
Here are a few trusted platforms where you can directly explore AI and technology opportunities. You can explore roles through Microsoft Careers for positions in AI, cloud, product, and engineering. Google Careers regularly posts openings in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and software development roles. LinkedIn Jobs allows you to search roles like prompt engineer, AI automation specialist, and AI consultant. Indeed helps you filter opportunities based on your location, experience level, and skill set. Upwork provides freelance opportunities where beginners and professionals can start working on ChatGPT automation and AI workflow projects. Let me quickly show you how to find AI-related roles using LinkedIn. Go to LinkedIn Jobs and search using keywords like AI automation prompt engineer AI consultant, then apply filters such as remote roles or entry-level positions if you are getting started. Save the jobs that match your skills and apply consistently. Instead of searching only AI jobs, try searching using smart keywords like AI automation prompt engineer AI consultant no-code AI specialist. These searches help you find more relevant opportunities faster. We've added all these platform links for you.